Welcome back, learners. You have made it to day 6 of the 100 Days Vocabulary Challenge, and the energy is only building. Today's episode kick off with a celebration of your consistency, curiosity, and commitment to growth. Whether you are journaling, scripting, or just soaking in a new word, this journey is about to more than vocabulary. It's about transformation. In this video, we will start to settle the tone. What does it means to truly absorb a word, not just memorize it? You will explore how language shapes together, how daily practice made fluency, and how one word can replay through your mindset, your conversation, and your creativity. Before we reveal today's feature word, take a moment to reflect. What kind of influence do you want your word to be? So, grab your notebook, warm up your voice, and get ready to dive into a concept that's as powerful as your passion for learning. Let's begin the word that will be going to our sixth word of this series. Now, let's get started with our today's word that will going to be ardent as part of day 6 in 100 days vocabulary challenge. So, it will be pronounced like an ardent and phonetically shown as in the video. You can see it. It is an adjective which will typically describe someone who is passionately enthusiastic or devoted to a cause, idea, or activity. It's a word that adds emotion, weight to description, whether you are talking about an ardent supporter, an ardent learner, or an ardent artist. The clean layout and focused design make it easy to absorb, while the pronunciation guide ensure correct uses in speech. This slide is ideal for building expressive vocabulary, helping learners articulate a strong feeling and dedicated in both writing and conversation. Here, what does ardent means? Showing a strong feeling or passion, enthusiasm or devotion towards something or someone. This capture the emotional intensity that convey, making it ideal for describing who are deeply committed or emotionally invested. The synonym of this word will be passionate, zealous, and enthusiastic, which helps expand understanding and uses. This word reinforces the idea that ardent isn't just about liking something, it's about loving it with intentionally. So the example will be she is an ardent believer in accessible education and work tirelessly to support rural students. Now, learners, it's time to study the story behind the word ardent. It's an Latin origin word which is ardere, which means to burn. That family roots gives ardent its emotional intensity. Whenever someone is ardent, they are not just interested, they are deeply devoted, eager, and passionately committed. In the root word, we see how ardent evolved directly from ardere, carrying forward that sense of inner fire. It's the kind of word you use when someone cares intentionally, whether it's about a cause, a goal, or a person. Now, what is the modern meaning? Showing a strong feeling of passion, eagerness, and intense devotion. It's perfect for describing someone who is all in, like an ardent learner, ardent activist, or an ardent creator. From my side, if you are ardent, you are passionate, you care deeply and intentionally. Now, it's your time, learners. Write it down, speak it out, and make a comment. Learner, you are encouraged to create a personal sentence using ardent in their vocabulary journal. This helps reinforce understanding by connecting the word to real life thoughts or experience. Speak it out The second task invites you to use ardent in a conversation, especially to describe something that fills them with energy or passion. This builds confidence and fluency in everyday language. Now, if you remind it, make a sentence using the word and comment it in the comment section. And that's wrap on day 6 of our 100 days vocabulary challenge. Today we explore the word ardent, a term that burns with passion, devotion, and enthusiasm. Whether you are an ardent learner, an ardent creator, or an ardent believer in your goal, this word helps you express the fire that drives you. Now it's your task. Write your own sentence using ardent in your notebook and also in comment section. Use it in conversation. Describe something that fills you with energy or experiment. Let your passion be loud, your learning be deep, and your vocabulary be unstoppable. Tomorrow we ignite a new word, so stay curious, stay committed, and stay ardent.